Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing adjustment of status from K-1 fiancé visa status to immigrant visa status in the United States, specifically what's called lawful permanent residence. The process to transition from K-1 status over to green card status is called adjustment of status. You got to go through this process. Got to be honest with you, there was a time this took a matter of weeks to just file an AOS and process it through. These days, I don't know what the issue is across the board with USCIS, but recently we've seen rejection notices issued on filings, not only stuff we've done, we've seen a couple on cases we've done here in the office where we've filed things exactly like we once did, and then on top, and they've sent them back, and I can't for the life of me figure out why they're rejecting it. That said, we're dealing with it. That said, on top of this, we're also seeing a fee change on the horizon, and I'm starting to wonder if that may not have something to do with these recent rejections. They're wanting to roll us over into the new fee, the new fee threshold, which is coming online shortly. I'm making this in late March. I believe this comes online in April. I don't know if that has something to do with it. Long story short, this isn't something I really even want to be making a video on because obviously we go out of our way to make sure filings get filed correctly. But that said, look, adjustment of status, I don't know why, but USCIS, especially the past few years, it seems like they're trying to engage in some kind of gamesmanship to intentionally reject filings. And again, I don't get why this is happening. I've seen it with lay people's cases, but recently we had one case come in that it got rejected where, we waited around to see the documentation come back, and we were, I'm looking at it and I don't even understand what the problem with it was. They didn't really give any explanation to speak of either. So I don't know if they're, trying to mess around with these fee thresholds or what, but again, with the fees changing, be wary if you're dealing with this on your own or you're looking at filing an adjustment of status. For whatever reason, it seems like the system is intentionally trying to be obtuse with people, for lack of a better term.